Hello friends, this is going to be a tutorial on how to create a compound clipping group. Okay, this is an advanced tutorial. I am going to be kind of moving rather quickly, so please try to keep up. Okay, so I'm going to assume you already know the problem. Illustrator has a very hard time making masks inside of complex shapes that are already vector. Let me show you how to get around this. You've got an object here, okay? It's grouped. First thing you're going to do is ungroup it. So it's two separate shapes. You're going to notice over here in my palettes, I've made the layers big so you can follow along. I'm just going to shift the order of these real fast, and with both selected, I'm going to go down and create a compound path, okay? Pretty simple stuff. You can find that on any tutorial. Where this starts getting bumpy is taking this complex shape here that we have, and if I unfold this, you will see that this is a hodgepodge of clipping groups, complex vector shapes, and many things that if I expanded this out, your eyes would get crossed. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to take our object here, and we are going to move this little guy down into the existing group real fast. Okay, now actually what we're going to do is get rid of the existing clipping group very fast, and then we're going to pick this guy. Oh wait, that I did not mean to get rid of that clipping group. I'm sorry, gang. We're going to take this and we're going to pick the very top layer. All right, that's our A shape, and we're going to pick the very top clipping group. All right, and then we're going to go over here to Object and create Clipping Mask. And you can see at first blush this doesn't appear to have worked, but watch carefully. I'm going to expand our latest addition to this clipping group, and then I'm going to take the complex shapes and drag them up one by one into our new compound clipping path. And you will notice as I'm doing this, they are perfectly masked. You have your complex effect going on there. You can then take your new thing over here and then place it in your existing infrastructure where it will look fantastic. All right, friends, that is how you do this. It was a little bumpy, but I couldn't find anything addressing this on the tutorial side on YouTube. So thanks a lot. Bye. Oop, wrong button.